Hello everyone. Today I'll show you easy ways to fix missing Wi-Fi in Windows. First, press Win plus X and select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters and look for your wireless adapter. If it's listed but has a down arrow or warning icon, right-click it and choose Enable Device. If it's missing entirely, select View then Show Hidden Devices, then scan for hardware changes from the Action tab. Next, try uninstalling and reinstalling the driver. In Device Manager, right-click your wireless adapter, select Uninstall Device, then restart your computer. Windows will attempt to reinstall the correct driver. If your PC cannot reconnect to the internet via Wi-Fi, you may need to download the latest wireless driver from the manufacturer's website using another device and install it via USB. If the driver reinstall didn't help, go back to Settings, then Network and Internet, then in the Advanced Network Settings and choose Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and restore default settings. Use this as a last resort because you'll need to re-enter any custom network settings afterward. That's how you can fix a missing Wi-Fi option in Windows. Thanks for watching.